Hold up. What you say she was getting? Knotless box braids? On a taper cut? Yo, run the tape. Hey y'all, welcome to Grace Necessities. If this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, but also leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Let me know what you'd like to see. But let's get into these knotless box braids on this shortcut. So right now we're just going through and parting. Of course, you need those parts crispy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and section off that bottom row that we're gonna start with so that we can get those braids in and out. So we're gonna double up the screen so you can see what we're getting ready to do. Okay, so if you have the basic knowledge of how to do a regular 3-strand braid without adding hair, then you've got this. So all I'm pretty much doing is starting off her hair, her real hair, with the regular 3 equal part strand braid. And then I'm taking the added hair and I'm adding it to that middle strand. So it's always gonna be that piece of hair that's under my index finger. I'm gonna slip the hair in and then I'm gonna continue to braid just as if there was no hair added. So listen, this is absolutely not one of those techniques that you should get overwhelmed by. Literally take your time. If you take your time and you're braiding on hair that is at least 4 inches or longer, this is not really going to be a challenge for you, even if you are a beginner, even if you're not a beginner. Because what I'm also doing with her hair is I'm going to end up tucking it. And you'll see that later on in the video. But still, don't get overwhelmed. Slip that piece of hair in and keep going. You got this. So a few tips when adding the hair. You want to have your pieces portioned out as far as the size, based on the size you would like your braid. Of course, the pieces that you're first feeding into the beginning of the braid, closest to the base or the root of the scalp, you want those pieces to be very fine so that you can feed that hair in seamlessly. And then you just add the hair as much as you want for the length that you like desired or for the size of the braids you're looking to achieve. So I'm getting ready to start the tucking technique on her blonde knotless box braids. And if you'd like to see how I created this look, be on the lookout for the how to tuck hair in knotless box braids. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just dipping her ends in hot water to seal the ends of the braids and to give her braids nice body for this look. Geechee Bella on the braids. Yeah, we did that. Y'all don't mind me. I just love what I do and I love to share it with you all. So of course, give me that thumbs up, like this video, and then leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see. I really do appreciate all feedback. Hit the notification bell, yes, so you can see all the goods that Geechee Bella has to bring to you. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, hit him with the slow motion. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. Peace and love. And don't forget that your crown of grace is a necessity.